has adopted key recommendations on rapid antiretroviral therapy initiation and the use of dolutegravir. These recommendations will ensure the use of safer and newer treatment regimens that lead to treatment optimization of all people living with HIV/AIDS. In addition, differentiated approaches to HIV service delivery have been emphasized, with several recommendations made to allow efficiency in treatment and reduce the frequency of contact with health services for people who are doing well on treatment.
The new HIV/IRT prevention and treatment guidelines that we are launching recommend implementing testing strategies and introducing highly effective antiretrovirals as the first-line regimen option. Recommendations which will propel the country towards meeting the 995 target, as well as improving on timely diagnostics, reducing unnecessary HIV-related illnesses and death, and improving the quality of life of people living with HIV, and contribute to a reduction in new infections.